welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on Access Chapter 1 Simulation Exam. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your exam without any confusion. If you need any help with MyLab IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exam or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today's simulation exam and go through it step by step. The question number 1 is first we start the access, and the next part is open the file A01H1 DVDs. I have already downloaded this file from MyITLab dashboard. First we open this file. This file exist in the document folder. Click on this and open this file, and the next part is save a copy of the database with the file name A01H1 DVDs _ student name in the documents folder. First we save this file, click on file tab, then click on save as in the document folder and give the name A01H1 DVDs _ student name and click on save button. And the next part is review the security warning and then enable the content. And click on enable content. Question number 1 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is from the navigation pane, open the generic codes table. Then click on generic code table. Switch the view of the generic codes table from datasheet view to design view. First we right click on this generic codes, then click on design view. The next is collapse the queries group so that the queries objects no longer display. As you click on the queries, open the relationships window. Basically in this question you will have to open the relationships window, click on relationships, and you will see that the relationship window are open. The next part is create a relationship report. And save the report using the name suggested in the save as dialog box. First we click on the relationship report using the name suggested in the save as dialog box. Then right click on this relationship for A01H1 DVDs _ student name. Right click on this, then click on save as. This is a default name, then press OK. Question number 2 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is open the DVD titles table in datasheet view. Open the DVD titles table in the datasheet view. First we click on the DVD title table. In the 12th record, change the genre from HOR to DRA. Press tab and then undo the change. You will go to the 12th record, HOR to DRA, and then press tab, then undo the change. Then undo the change. The next is change the genre to DRA again, and then press tab, close the DVD titles table. Change the genre to DRA, and again press tab. Close the genre codes table. Right click on this, then click on close button. Question number 3 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is open the DVD titles form in the form view. DVD title, this is a DVD title table, and click on this. Use the next record button to display the 4th record, and then use the previous record button to display the 3rd record. To display the 3rd record, click on this, use the next record, this is a next record button. In the DVD title form, search for the DVD title field containing the word park in any part of the field, and then close the find dialog box. Click on the search tab, park. The next is create a new blank record in the form. Click on this arrow, add new record. In the DVD ID field, enter 22. In DVD ID field, we will have add 22. In the DVD title field, enter Ghostbusters, and press tab. Remaining data will auto-complete. Question number 4 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is open the DVD titles table in the datasheet view. Data titles. Then the next is select the DVD ID 22 Ghostbusters from DVD titles table. Begin to delete the record. When the Microsoft Access message displays, click No to indicate that you do not want to delete the record at this time. Click on this row, Ghostbusters, and click on delete button to delete this. Close the DVD titles table and close this. Right click on this, then click on close. Question number 5 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is that back up the database using the default file name. Click on in file tab, Click on save button, then click on backup to database and save all. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 7. Question number 7 is, in the fourth record of the DVD titles table, select the genre field. Act use filter by selection to find all records that have a genre field equal to act. Click on this. Click on act. Use filter by selection to find all records. Then click on selection. This. The next is toggle the filter off. Question number 7 are completed now. Our next question is question number 8. Question number 8 is, in the fourth record of the DVD titles table, select the genre, act and use filter by selection to filter the data for records that do not contain the selected genre. In the fourth record of the DVD title, this is the fourth record of the DVD titles table, and select the genre, act and use the filter. You will go to the table field, then click on advanced and filter the data for records do not contain the selected genre. Then click on do not contain. The question number 8 are completed now. We have now completed 8 questions of this simulation exam. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA and many other countries. If you need any help with this task or your complete course, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.